As you survey your kitchen, you notice a subtle crack in the crisper cover of your refrigerator. A small blemish on an otherwise perfect appliance. A refrigerator is more than just a box for food. It is the silent heart of the kitchen, and its components must function as one. Therefore, finding a compatible replacement is crucial for maintaining its efficiency and aesthetic. This Garsoo W11697465, W11351248 Glass Crisper cover for Whirlpool, Maytag is a perfect fit. A testament to precision engineering. It is a sturdy shield, a transparent guardian that protects your fruits and vegetables while allowing you to easily see your fresh produce. Moreover, this glass crisper cover is designed to be a seamless replacement for a range of part numbers, including W11449890 and W11205398, ensuring you can find the perfect match without the headache of endless searching. Therefore, its multi-model compatibility, including some Whirlpool, Maytag, and Ikea refrigerators, makes it a versatile and reliable choice for many homeowners seeking to restore their appliance to its original glory. Furthermore, this Garsoo glass crisper cover for Whirlpool, Maytag is not merely a replacement part. It is a resurrection of your refrigerator's functionality and elegance. The original cover may have been a casualty of a dropped jar or a heavy hand, but this new one stands as a symbol of renewed strength. The tempered glass is remarkably resilient, a solid foundation upon which your crisper pan can rest securely. However, its clarity is its most striking feature. It's like a crystal clear pane of glass, offering a window into the freshness below, and allowing you to see exactly what you have on hand. Similarly, the construction is so precise that it slides into place with a satisfying click, an echo of its perfect fit. In addition, its design, which accommodates other part numbers like W11162439 and W11449890, guarantees that you can restore your fridge to its former state without a hitch. Ultimately, this replacement cover is more than just a piece of glass. It's a promise of longevity and an affirmation that even the smallest parts play a huge role in the grand symphony of your kitchen. Nevertheless, the search for the right part can sometimes feel like a daunting journey, a quest through a labyrinth of part numbers and model compatibility charts. Yet, this Garsoo glass crisper cover for Whirlpool, Maytag simplifies the process. Acting as a beacon of certainty in a sea of confusion, it is specifically engineered to be a drop-in replacement, so you can easily swap the old for the new. The smooth edges and flawless finish make installation a breeze, and its robust design ensures it will stand the test of time, resisting the bumps and scrapes that a busy kitchen can inflict. Consequently, this replacement part provides not only functionality but also peace of mind, knowing that your crisper drawer is well protected. In conclusion, the Garsoo W11697465, W11351248 Glass Crisper cover is a small but mighty component that restores the heart of your refrigerator, allowing it to continue its silent work of preserving your food and bringing order to your kitchen. Pros: perfect fit for Whirlpool, great price, exactly the same quality, functions exactly the same. Great fit and price, works and is a great fit, fit perfectly, delivered super fast, cheaper than manufacturer, saved myself $100, can be used as a shelf or drawer holder, looks brand new. Now, good fit, work great. Cons: not the same as original, measurements given were off, plastic ends were white not gray. Features: fits Maytag and Ikea refrigerators, replaces part W11697465 alternative to W11351248. Substitute for W11449890 replaces W11205398 works for W11162439 glass shelf for crisper pan. For various refrigerator models, the Garsoo W11697465 glass crisper cover is a replacement part. Compatible with select Whirlpool, Maytag, and Ikea refrigerators. It functions as a glass shelf for the crisper pan and can be used as a substitute for several other part numbers, including W11351248, W11449890, W11205398, and W11162439. This versatile crisper cover is designed to fit a variety of refrigerator models. Though not all, this is a compatible glass crisper cover. Model Garsoo W11697465, that fits some Whirlpool, Maytag, and Ikea refrigerators. Reviewers praise its perfect fit, great price, and quality, which is comparable to the original part. It functions identically to the manufacturer's product, can be used as a shelf or drawer holder, and has been reported to arrive quickly. While most users found it to be a perfect replacement, some noted that the plastic ends were white instead of the original gray. The measurements were slightly off, and the quality was not exactly the same as the original part. Overall, it is considered a cost-effective and functional alternative that saved customers a significant amount of money.